So today we are going to bake this perfect and classic moist vanilla cake. This is the cake and this is the batter after mixing it. And this is the outcome of the cake. This is the cake from the oven. And these are the ingredients that we'll use for the baking of the cake. Welcome to Glory Food and Pastries. Our baking flour 1 kg, baking powder 2.5 tablespoons, vegetable oil 400 ml, vanilla extract 1.5 tablespoons. Then we are going to use 15 eggs, medium sizes. Then our sugar is 750 grams. We will use whole milk 2.5 cups. Margarine or butter is 250 grams. Lastly, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. We will start by mixing all the dry ingredients together. This is baking powder, mixing it with my sifted flour and the salt, everything together. I will mix them together and set aside. Inside a clean bowl, I will transfer the margarine, then add the sugar, then the vegetable oil. I'll add 400 ml of vegetable oil. After adding this cup, I'll use another smaller cup, but in total, they will all add up to 400 ml of vegetable oil. That is 2/3 cup. Then I'll use my hand mixer. My standing mixer is too small for this batter. The batter is bigger than it will be bigger. So I will mix and scrape the side. I'll scrape the side very well and continue mixing. I will check to see if the texture of the sugar is still sharp. I have to continue mixing. But I will not over mix because of the oil. I will now introduce the egg. I'll add it bit by bit. Add little and mix. Add and mix. You continue adding and mixing like that until you exhaust all the eggs. I will scrape the sides and continue mixing. The essence of scraping the sides is in order to get a uniform texture, a uniform batter, so that they will all properly combine together. I will now introduce the vanilla. I'll add the vanilla. If you are using vanilla extract, is 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract. But if you are using essence, is 3 tablespoons of vanilla essence. I will now combine it together. I will mix it properly with the batter. I will make sure that it is properly mixed. Then I will now introduce the flour. I'll be alternating it with the milk. I will add little bit of milk and little bit of flour. I'll add this. This is milk and mix. Then I'll add flour. I'll keep alternating the both of them like that until they are all exhausted. This is it. This is it. I will now introduce the last batch of the milk. This is it. I will now mix properly. If you have watched it this time, please like this video if you are getting value from this video. Like, comment, and share with others. And if you are new to the channel, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please support me by subscribing to this channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for doing that. And this is the batter. This is after mixing all the ingredients together. This is what we'll have. Then this is our baking pan ready for use. Already greased the pan with butter and dusted with flour. Then measured the paper, the baking paper. I prefer putting under. Round the pan, I don't, but under is a must to avoid burning, too much burning. But if you can actually use the baking paper to cover all the pan, like every part of the pan will be covered with baking paper, it's a good thing. Then next is to divide the batter, to divide them into the pans, the selected pans. I will divide them. This is a quick reminder. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please support me by subscribing. And if you have not liked this video, please like this video so that it will get to others, so that others will also see it and it will help the channel to grow. Please support me by doing that. This is the batter. This is the 5 pan I used. The 5 pans. I will now tap the pans. I will tap all of them like this to avoid air bubbles and having holes in your cake. And also do it this way. I also do it this way in order to avoid having holes after baking. You do it this way and tap it. This is after 45 minutes in the oven. This is what we got. The one in smaller pan, in fact, it has been consumed before this video. The people watching it have already dealt with that one. And this is the tasting time. Let's see what we got. Let's see this amazing cake recipe. Just check it out. Fluffy, classic, unique, and very yummilicious. In fact, the taste is heavenly. This is it. It tastes so great. This is the best recipe you can ever get. You can ever imagine. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.